Good day, sir, madam. I am Janelle J. Rufin. I am 40 years old. I live in Barangay Bayas, Estancia, Iloilo. I am a single. I am an undergraduate. I worked in Singapore last time, 2006 to 2009. I worked there for 3 years, and then after that, I worked also in Abu Dhabi, 2009 to 2010. I served in Singapore 5 members of the family, 2 adults and 3 children. The age is 2 years old, 2 years old, 2 months, and then after that, 1 year after, my employer gave birth another
So when
baby.
you start working, Madam got only 2 children.
Yes,
The eldest is 2 years old,
and
and the youngest is
2 months.
2 months old. Okay. And while working for after a year, then Madam gave birth to the third
The third
baby.
one.
Okay, so got 3 children to
Yes,
take
ma'am.
care. So the eldest is boy or girl?
Girl,
Second,
boy,
and then the youngest?
boy.
Boy, okay. So when you left, how old is the youngest?
I left last time. The youngest is 1 year old.
1 year old. And how many housemaids inside the house?
Only one.
You're the only one.
Yes.
So mom and sir, they are both working.
Yes, ma'am.
So your priority are caring the 3 children.
Children.
And of course doing all the household
household.
chores. So you also did marketing.
No, my employer is the one who
Did the marketing.
marketing.
But you prepare the food for
The
them.
food.
Okay. So usually what are the foods or the dishes you cook for the employer?
I always cook the employer food is ABC soap, and then
The long time boiling soup, na?
yes,
Okay.
ma'am. And then also steam fish, and then cook some veggie like
Vegetable, stir fry vegetable like that?
yes, ma'am. The kangkong.
Fry, okay.
And then after that, ng fish soup also. I cook also fish soup.
So, okay. How did you learn their way of cooking?
My grandma is the one who teach me how to cook.
The mother
The
of
mother
your
of
sir?
my
or ma'am?
sir.
Ah, of
My
sir.
sir. And also the mother of my mom, she teach of me also how to cook their own food.
Why? Sometimes you went there or...
Every Saturday, ma'am, I go with my mom family. And then Sunday, I go also for the
Sir family. So when they have their a family reunion, yes.
Yes, they
Gathering.
are getting together.
Yeah.
Eat outside and then
Okay, so
going around.
you go with your employer.
Yes,
if ever
ma'am.
they went to their parents or family.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So you can follow instructions in cooking.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
it would be
Okay.
easy for you to follow if there are new recipes or new menus to follow.
Yes, ma'am.
And you are willing to learn more.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I am.
So when it comes to caring your children, no problem. You can handle even newborn baby.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You said that you are still single.
Yes, ma'am.
So you have no plans of getting married?
I don't know. Time will tell.
Okay.
It depends.
But this time, how long are you planning to work in Hong Kong?
If my employers like me, I will work until they want me.
So it means to say longer also.
Yeah, longer.
So presently, what are you doing?
I am working as a daycare worker.
A daycare worker.
Yes, ma'am.
So it means to say all your students now are how old? Mostly how old?
Mostly, I take care 3 years old until 5 years old.
Okay, and they're very playful and naughty, no?
Yeah.
And how did you handle this kind of children?
Just look nicely, and then sometimes you give some candies or food like that. Because now, this month, we start already our feeding. We have
Okay.
feeding.
So this is a government funded school, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
And
Anyway,
yes, this WD.
Okay, and anyway, you can resign from this job if ever Hong Kong employer needs you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what can you promise to them if ever they will hire you?
I promise them to be honest and then hardworking, and then I am a loving person. Thank you.